Everyone told us the only way to experience Halong Bay was to spend the night on a luxury cruise. But we weren't so sure, so instead of splurging on the overnight, we tried a one-day trip from Hanoi. Today we'll show you exactly what that looked like, from a fancy onboard lunch to a traditional wooden boat ride. We're currently just stepped on the Halong Catamaran cruise going out to Lan Ha this morning. It is currently about 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. We got picked up from Hanoi at 7:45, so it took a few hours to get here, but 5 minutes on and I'm already really excited.
It's quite nice. It's very nice.
It's got a couple of big slides, and being the big kids that we are, we're looking forward to going in there, in the water, and we're about to get fed first. So yeah, let's eat.
I was going to say Lindsay's always terrified of what could be in the water. We were advised on the way here that the water here is about 35 metres. We really need coffee and food.
Yeah.
35 metres deep at maximum, and the only creatures here are sea bass, really the most dangerous. So
Cue the Austin Powers meme that's about to go in.
yeah.
They are mutated sea bass.
Really? Are they ill-tempered?
See you soon. Pumpkin soup to start. That's good. It's been a long time since I've had traditional soup.
Yeah.
Ooh, really tastes like pumpkin.
So it's quite a fancy menu, clearly. We didn't know this before we came here. We had no idea what the food was going to be. This is smoked goose. Goose. Looks really good, smells really good, but not Vietnamese. Might not be Vietnamese, but it's tasty. Also, it feels really weird to be using fork and knife again. I should just start getting used to chopsticks.
Okay, so spring rolls. Ooh.
What is it?
It's a watermelon salad.
Or if you've watched our Penang video, it's a pineapple salad.
I've never had watermelon with a dressing on it, but it tastes really nice. There's a lot of watermelon out here. It's super delicious. Oh, I think there actually is pineapple here as well. No, it's not. It's potato.
Next up, lobster. Of course. Looks like there's some sort of pasta and cheesy lobsteriness. So let's see how this goes. Ooh, good lot of lobster flesh in here. I don't think I've ever had.
It's the softest lobster I've had.
Yeah, buttery, cheesy, soft. This is pretty good. I still prefer banh mi.
I know.
Banh mi for life. Ban me for life?
Yeah? Oh wait.
Don't ban me for life. Ban me the food. You know what I mean.
Let's try the chicken. I think we're getting the French influence. It's lovely and soft, and the flavour is good. I think Roger's right. I think this is the kind of the French influence in Vietnam. Très bon.
So dessert is an accompaniment of fruit and what looks like a light cheesecake, maybe?
Coconut cake, I think.
Coconut cake? Let's try the cake, because that's what we're all here for, let's be honest. There we go. So yeah, we're here for the cheesecake, or cake, coconut cake, whatever.
I don't think there's any cheese in there.
C'était délicieux, mon ami, or mes amis. So overall, we really enjoyed this meal. It wasn't the Vietnamese cuisine we were looking for, but it was certainly delicious, and it felt like a real treat. Welcome to Halong Bay.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The rain has stopped and we've come out and the sun is breaking through. And yeah, the only word is beautiful, really.
Yeah, it's really cool. We're at the front of the Catamaran, or the bow, obviously. And yeah, don't know what else to say. Let's let the bay speak for itself.
Yeah.
show you how to. He's gonna show you how to make a couple of swans by tomatoes.
Great day. I had reservations about spending 2.5 to 3 hours in a bus to spend just so many hours somewhere, but we got here about 11.
It wasn't as long as expected. Traffic leaving Hanoi is probably the one thing that takes time, but once you're out onto the highway it was really quick, so
Yeah.
but it is worth it 100%. For a day trip out of Hanoi, just to get away from the chaos, which we both love, but
Yeah.
this is
Yeah, this is just, I can see why this area was inspired the makers of Pandora, if that's even right. Maybe Avatar. But yeah, it was stunning. It was worth the trek out here. The sun's starting to go down. It's coming up for 5 o'clock, and I would 100% recommend. You know, you could do it as a day trip. I think if we were coming back, 100% would love to try overnight.
yeah, well, I was against doing an overnight coming here because I felt like it was a bit over the top, you know, a bit too touristy and luxury for us, because I wanted to do like the real authentic sort of street food experience, but to get to spend the night here in Halong Bay would be really amazing.
With this scenery.
Yeah, I think it's worth that, but there's always a reason to come back.
Exactly. Now we've got another one. Again, there's
Yeah.
so many reasons to come back to Vietnam.
And to Asia in general,
Yeah.
so. I'm really struggling to get our lobster out here. Come on. Come on!
Come on.
My favourite part of this so far is the music throughout the whole. Try to do a tune. Wait. Guess the song.
I'm cutting you off. I'm cutting them off.